Experiencing no service on your Optimum mobile device can be frustrating. Let's quickly address the most common causes: SIM card problems and network outages. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, check for any visible damage like bends or corrosion, and reinsert it firmly. Next, check for any reported network outages in your area. Use the Optimum Mobile app or a site like Down Detector. Since Optimum Mobile uses Verizon's network, a Verizon outage will affect you. If there's an outage, the best course of action is to wait for it to be resolved. In the meantime, toggle airplane mode on and off or connect to Wi-Fi if available. As of September 2025, Optimum reports 98.5% uptime, but regional outages can still occur, like the one in the Northeast in July 2025, due to a Verizon upgrade. Remember, basic troubleshooting steps like restarting your phone are also crucial. For persistent SIM issues, consider visiting an Optimum store for a replacement. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the no service issue, an incorrect access point name configuration might be the culprit, especially affecting mobile data. The APN acts as a gateway connecting your device to the mobile data network. To check and correct your APN settings, go to your phone's settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, then Cellular Data Network. The standard APN for Optimum Mobile is simply Optimum. Other fields include MMCC MNC values. Delete any incorrect APN entries and manually add the correct one, then restart your device. Also, make sure your phone's firmware is up to date to be compatible with network settings. Optimum Mobile's app now uses AI to help detect APN and SIM issues, suggesting fixes in real time. If problems persist even after checking APN settings, contact Optimum support directly for further assistance. As the telecom industry shifts towards eSIM, keep an eye out for Optimum's eSIM support launching in Q4 2025, which will simplify troubleshooting.